This footage wasn't meant to go public. I kept it hidden for months, afraid no one would believe me. But after what happened last week, I need people to know. I followed something into the woods, something that wasn't human, and I caught it on camera. This started as a solo weekend hike. Deep in the Olympic National Forest, remote, quiet, exactly what I needed. Locals warned me. Strange sounds. Some said elk, others just laughed. But around 2 a.m., I woke up. Heavy steps. Not a bear, not a deer. It sounded like pacing. On 2 legs. I grabbed my cam and followed the sound. Every 30 seconds a knock, wood on wood. Then a howl. Not wolf, not coyote, something deeper. I stopped filming after the first scream. It didn't sound like an animal. It sounded angry. And then I saw it. I ran. I didn't look back. I left everything behind. My gear, my sanity. I slept in my car. Doors locked. The next morning I returned. No tracks. But the trail cam was still rolling. And what it caught still haunts me. I don't know what I saw. I'm not asking you to believe me, but if you've ever heard footsteps in the dark, felt watched, or seen eyes glowing in the trees, you're not alone. This is MythSpoken, and some legends walk.